What a fine day it is, isn't it everybody? To watch a tutorial video And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can change your name in PayPal. So for those people who do not know how to change your name in PayPal, then this video is just for you. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our YouTube channel App Tutorial if you guys are new to our channel. And make sure to watch our video until the end to avoid any confusion. So let's get into the video. First step, you want to go to paypal.com and log in into a PayPal account. So for this, you need to come to the browser version of PayPal, alright? And once you're over here, click on the setting looking icon or gear looking icon. Now once you click on it, it's going to take you to the setting page. Over here, under account, where it says change name, click on it. Now once you click on change name, there's three ways to change your name. So if you want to update your name, so let's say you were writing like your nickname on your PayPal and you want to write your original name, you can click on update your name and use full name instead of nickname instead. But if you want to make minor exchange like minor changes like 1 or 2 words, click on the third option, make a minor correction. But if you want to change your full legal name, then you want to click on change your legal name. And then after you click on it, you want to enter or like you need to upload the file like your marriage file or your license or your citizenship ID. Alright, you need to, upload either one of these 3 files. Once you upload it, PayPal will check those legal files and whatever name is written on your legal file is going to be put on your PayPal. Alright, so that's how you guys can change your legal name if you want to. So these are the way on how you guys can change your name in PayPal. These 3 are the way. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit that like and subscribe to our YouTube channel with notification on so you guys can get notified for a future video. And it's me, Vichy Kevin, signing out, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye until then everybody, and have a nice day.